Welcome back to our third tutorial or lesson 3, and in here we're going to speak about text and how to manipulate text and change text. So please go to slide 2, and here you will find a little survey where you need to fill in your information. So to start with, in order to type, you need to click inside a tape area. That means a typing area, a text area. So you put your cursor here and you click, and then you see the text area becomes live, the blue border is around it, and you can see that little marker going on and off. That means that you can start typing. So my name is, you're simply going to need to backspace to delete those stars and type in your name. Don't forget capital letters at the beginning of your name. And I'm going to go to the next line. And this line, you can go down either by replacing your cursor with the mouse or the touchpad and clicking, or you can use the arrows on your keyboard and go down between the lines and go backwards and forwards. And again, I'm going to rub this off, and I'm going to not use my real age because it's not going to work for exercise. I'm going to use, let's say, your age, which might be 9. Okay? And since we've got a number here, I've got an opportunity to show you how to change the size of your text. Now I'm going to click at the end of the line, and I'm going to click and hold and drag over the line so that it's colored like this. And I'm going to go to the font size, and I'm going to look for the number 9. You can see it's very, very small, but that's okay. For our purpose, I want you to keep it that small. So that's size. Now, I'm going to undo. If you don't use a mouse, the way to do it is this. You go with the arrows, and you put it at the end or the beginning of the line. Then you click and hold the Shift button on your keyboard, and then you move the arrow over the text. That's how you select in the easiest way without a mouse. And we're going to change it back to 9. Here, again, I'm going to click at where I live in. I'm going to hold the Shift button down, and I can select all the stars, and I can type over it. I live in Cape Town. And I'm going to go to the next line. Here, my favorite color is, let's say, purple. And of course, this is a perfect opportunity to change the color of the text. So I'm going to select this entire line, and I'm going to go up here to the text color, and I'm going to click on purple. Okay, now at any point this video you can pause, you can do the activity on page 2, and then you can go back and keep on looking at the video. My favorite food is schnitzel and chips. It's okay if it goes to another line. If you get a squiggly red line, that means the spelling mistake or that the computer doesn't recognize the word. If it's a name, it might not recognize it. What you can do, you can right click on it, and it might give you the correct spelling, and then you can choose that. Okay? And I'm going to change and give this a funky color as well. So let me make that, say, orange, and you can also change it to size 36. So you can already see we've played with sizes, we've played with colors, and now we're going to look at the different font style. My favorite TV show, I'm going to click here, backspace, is Fauda. That's what I watch at the moment. It's not appropriate for children, but I am watching it. Now I'm going to change the font. In order to do that, you've got to select the text, and you go to where it says Arial. When you click it, you're going to get a whole lot of text. Scroll down, look for someone that you like. I might have more than you have, so go through the one you have. If you like, for example, this bungee inline, click on it, and it changed the font size. Here I have a spelling mistake. I'm going to right click and change it. And that's my last question. The first thing I want to do once the COVID-19 restrictions are lifted is to, I'll need to make this text box a little bit bigger so that I can access the text. Maybe I need to zoom out a little bit. Drag this thing up. There we go. And I'm going to zoom back in so I can see what I'm typing. Is to go to the beach. Okay, so when you're done, I want to see the following. I want to see that you've changed all the information to fit you. I want to see that you changed the size here to 9. I want to see that you changed the color here to your favorite color, and that you also changed the color of the sentence about the food. I want to see that you changed the font in the sentence about the TV show, and in the last sentence, I want to see that you've changed all 3. So I'm going to change to yet another font. I'm going to change the size a little bit. And I'm going to change the color once again. And that's how you play around with colors, font, and size of text. Let me just finish this one. It didn't work properly. And choose that pink. There we go. Go ahead and play around.